Hello everyone, so I just wanted to talk about how to use the APA essay template. So do not request edit access, because if you do, then what you're editing is the template that everybody in all of my classes uses. Instead, what you want to do is go to File, and then download it as a Microsoft Word document. Whether you're going to edit it in Pages or you're going to use it in Google Docs, doesn't matter. This is the best way to access it. And then once you have your own copy to edit, you're going to leave all of the formatting elements the same. So here the title of your essay is going to be bold. You'll include your name, the name of the assignment, the name of the course that you're turning the assignment in for, the instructor teaching that course, and the due date. And the date doesn't have to be exact, at least not for my class. So all of that goes on that title page, and down here, this is where your actual essay will go. So for the title of your essay, you're just going to basically type the same thing that you typed on the title page, but on this second page. So this gives your document a cover page as required for APA. And then this has all of the different sections. You don't need to use each of these headings, and if you don't have any references, then don't use the references page. Just delete all of this. But this is the format that your teachers are describing when they say that they want something in APA format. So if you have any questions, please let me know, or go to your friendly Writing Center tutor, and they can help you with this as well. Good luck!